If we have the saggy eyes going on, which I will get, and I think this is a very common neglected area, is this eyelid area. We don't always have to work this exact problem spot to give it a nice lift or to help the appearance of it. Let me show you some examples. But first, I can take my Bitty Cup right below my eyebrow. It's gentle enough to do so after I apply my glow oil, which I'll link everything up in the description below. This is going to wake up this area to make it vibrant and alive again rather than dull and, let's be real, kind of saggy. At least that's what I experienced. Now for the areas around the eye. I'm going to take my Lux Cup, start in the center of my forehead, and I'm going to quite literally glide upwards with my Millie Lux Cup to my hairline, lifting everything, unwinding fascia, unwinding the muscle, unwinding the tension that can contribute to this area looking heavy and tired. Next, I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to massage the side of my scalp, working this muscle in through here. That can indirectly help lift and depuff the eye area, because again, everything is connected and this tension in the scalp can affect the appearance of our face. I can do a full facial cupping eye depuff. Just let me know in the comments if that would be helpful. And I have my exact cupping set linked below in the description.